The landfill economy, a grim monument to engineered obsolescence, dictates that most modern technology is designed for the dump, not for dependable, protracted service. This philosophy, however, falls catastrophically short when your professional livelihood, your very reputation, is anchored to the unwavering performance of your tools. At Orion, we champion a different standard, a commitment to gear that transcends mere functionality, a standard exemplified by the AC Infinity CLOUDLAB 866 Advanced Grow Tent. Consider the true cost of compromise. Imagine a critical project, perhaps a sensitive botanical trial or a high-value research cultivation, unfolding in your San Francisco lab or a controlled environment facility, managed remotely from a London home office. The air hums with anticipation. Then a subtle light leak appears, a structural component flexes, or an inadequate environmental seal allows a microscopic breach. The silence that follows such a failure, the chilling realization of compromised integrity, is the true reputational tax. That moment, when substandard equipment betrays a precise workflow, costs more than just lost product. It erodes credibility, it invalidates data, and for a professional billing at a significant hourly rate, it represents an immediate and irrecoverable financial hemorrhage. Every second spent troubleshooting a flimsy zipper, battling an inconsistent environmental seal, or resecuring a sagging frame is a direct extraction from your revenue stream. If this AC Infinity unit saves you merely 15 minutes of frustration each day, a conservative estimate given its robust design, that accrues to over 5 hours of recovered professional time every single month. For a highly skilled professional operating in New York, Toronto, or indeed anywhere on the global stage, that reclaimed time easily translates into thousands of dollars, making this acquisition not an expense, but an astute financial recovery strategy, an investment in the uninterrupted flow of your high-value work. This is not a casual enclosure, this is an industrial-grade environmental system. The CLOUDLAB 866, measuring a substantial 60 inches by 60 inches by 80 inches, immediately communicates its gravitas. Its chassis is founded upon 1-inch thick, heavy-gauge steel poles, a foundation that eliminates sag and wobble, ensuring the structural integrity of your internal systems remains inviolate for years. The canvas, a formidable 2000 denier mylar, isn't just thick, it is lab-tested for the highest light reflectivity, acting as an almost perfect photon trap. Every panel, every seam, feels over-engineered, from the robust SBS zippers that glide with reassuring precision to the innovative controller mounting plate and light-proof cable pass-through. These elements speak to a design ethos focused on thermal dissipation, on maintaining absolute control over your microclimate, on protecting your critical assets. Now, some might find its sheer, unyielding robustness, its substantial weight, somewhat excessive for a casual setup. But for the professional, that very density, that uncompromising build quality, is the thermal mass, the impenetrable barrier, the absolute assurance that your critical environmental parameters will not fluctuate, that your investment in precision remains safeguarded. It is too heavy for a transient hobbyist, perhaps, but that is precisely the heat sink, the light seal, the structural fortitude that prevents environmental throttling and protects your valuable yield. The global supply chain remains a shifting landscape, particularly for specialized high-demand equipment. Prices across regional hubs, from the United States to the United Kingdom and Canada, are in constant motion. Ignoring this volatility is akin to leaving money on the table. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.